Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make protein powder laddu at home. Making these nutritious treats is simpler than you might think, requiring just a few common ingredients. First, gather your protein powder, a good quality ghee, and your preferred sweetener. You will also need some nuts, seeds, and a binding agent such as pureed dates or a splash of milk. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature for optimal blending and texture. Next, we will prepare the dry components. Lightly roast your favorite nuts and seeds, like almonds or pumpkin seeds, in about 1 tablespoon of ghee over medium heat until they become fragrant and slightly golden. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once cooled, combine these roasted ingredients with your protein powder in a large mixing bowl. Then, incorporate your chosen sweetener, ensuring it is well distributed throughout the dry mix. Now it is time to bring everything together. Gradually add 2 to 3 tablespoons of melted ghee or a little milk to the dry mixture, 1 tablespoon at a time. Mix everything thoroughly with your hands until the mixture starts to come together and holds its shape when pressed. Take small portions, about 1 tablespoon each, and roll them firmly between your palms to form smooth, round lattice, approximately 1 inch in diameter. This process ensures a consistent texture. Once your lattice are shaped, allow them to set for about 30 minutes at room temperature. This helps them firm up and maintain their form. For storage, place your homemade protein lattice in an airtight container. They will stay fresh and delicious for up to 1 week at room temperature, or even longer if refrigerated. These make for a fantastic, guilt-free snack or a quick energy boost anytime you need it. Enjoy your nutritious creations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.